Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to download Melbet app in iPhone. It's easy, so let's dive straight into it. The first steps is to open the App Store. Once you're in, enter Melbet in the search bar. If the app doesn't show up, it's fine. Just head back to your home screen and open the settings. From there, head to your Apple ID section and choose Media and Purchases. Then press on View Account. In the Showed Up menu, select Country or Region, then tap Change Country or Region. Scroll through the list and choose India as your country. Accept the terms and conditions. If you're specified to add a payment method, you can simply select the None option. After that, enter your billing information, including your postal address, city, country, zip code, and phone number. Once all the necessary fields are filled, tap Next. Now come back to the App Store on your device and search for the Melbet app once again. There you go. It will now be available. Just tap Get Next to the app to start the download. Once the download is over, tap Open to launch the app. Don't miss this secret 300% bonus that gave me $200 total on my $50 deposit. Here's exactly how to claim it. After installation, go ahead and select Sign Up. Make sure to enter all your details and include your promo code VEXY in the designated section. This will give you an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. For example, if you deposit $10, you'll receive an additional $30 as a bonus. That's awesome. Don't miss out on it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.